morning, everybody. So, welcome back to Wellness Gossips with Sam. So, we are going to discuss very innovative idea today because this is something which we were sharing with our clients from a long time and it is working out for them. I know from quite some time now. So, we thought of okay, let us share it in the YouTube video as well, so that it will be helpful for much more people, throughout India and throughout the world who is watching this video. So now what is that concept is, so people ask me, or maybe both of us actually saying, Sam, we start with something but we cannot continue for a longer time. So we have been seeing you guys, doing something, over a period of time consistently. What is that different thing? So today we are talking about health consistency, not anything else, but let us talk more about health actually, how we can consistently do something. Right? Example, some of them come into a weight loss program, some of them get into a health regime, probably they go to a gym, or they start with a walking or maybe a running and different things to take care of health, but over a period of time, probably like 1 month, 15 days, 45 days, they quit. So they cannot continue more than that, and they say like, I started but I really could not do anything about it. So why is that actually? So we have a very unique concept which we use in our life and we share it with our clients also, is a T concept, right? So TEA, yeah, T concept.
Yeah, so T, I know if you have heard it right, tea. So you might be thinking of the morning tea, because as Indians we have the habit of starting our day with the tea. Right? So we are not going to talk about that tea. It is TEA, that is think, eat and act. These are the three things what we are going to talk about. So I want Sam to cover about the tea, because he will be making it more clear. And see, what happens is most of the time the clients come to me and say that the first thing mostly they say is, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. I don't think it is possible with me.
I've tried it.
Yeah, I have tried and I may quit in between. So why don't you tell about
Definitely.
that?
So let me elaborate a little bit actually. So about T again, TEA. What is TE actually? As she said, it is think, but little more about it is think right, right? So it is eat, but it is again eat right. And the last one is act, but act right actually. So because everything should be in a right manner. See, thinking is very important when it comes to health or anything else in this world. So whatever you want to do, see, if you're not thinking in the right way, example, when you get up in the morning, the first thing comes into your mind is, no, my health is not good, I'm not going to do this, it's not, no, I cannot run, I cannot work out, I cannot, take care of my health. So your thinking is in a negative way, it's not going to help out. So the positive affirmations are very important in that. So we need to think right early morning. So that's what most of the spiritual leaders say, that the first 30 minutes what you spend is going to take care of your 23.5 hours of your day. Because if you're not going to think in the right way, so when you get up in the morning, so think that okay, you've got another day of life, so that how we can use that day in a right way. So probably think about, okay, put it in your mind, think that okay, today I'm going to make sure that everything whatever comes in my way, I want to go to positively deal with it and make it happen. So for it could be health. So tell yourself, say, I'm going to eat the right food today, I'm going to do exercise today, I'm going to make sure drink a lot of water today, probably 2 to 3 liters of water, and I'm making sure I'm not dizzy or lethargic, I will be energetic every day. So once you put this in your subconscious mind on a daily basis, you're going to make sure that is going to happen, because that is where, so because you cannot fool yourself, right? So you need to make sure you tell yourself and follow that. So that's what we follow. Every morning when you get up, there are some positive affirmation we tell ourselves, saying this is what we are going to do the next 23.5 hours, and we just follow that and everything will fall in place. Believe me, whatever you tell your mind, the mind takes it and they subconsciously process it, and it automatically happens. It's not that because you're not doing something that you're bad or you're the different human being than us. We are all same, but because we are putting that thought early morning in the subconscious mind, it is making sure we are consistently doing it. So thinking right is definitely more important than anything else actually. The first thing morning should be think right in the right way. So there are some changes what we have done in our life is, we have come out of newspaper. We do watch news but not anything else, because nowadays newspaper is completely negative news actually, right? And we don't have television at home. If you want news, anything we have internet, we browse whatever we want and then do it, rather than looking at what they show us actually. So television is more of they telecast something and you have to go and watch, although there are too many channels. But we want to make sure we want to choose what we want to watch. We don't want to watch what they are showing us. So we don't have a television at home. So that is one thing. And third thing is, we don't gossip with people on other things like WhatsApp chat. Other day there was some school groups and all. So people are chatting about school, negative things about school actually. So when kids see that, they are also going to start with the negative things, things about their school and their education and everything. So avoid some of the things which is not required in our life so that we can think right and take action.
Exactly, that's true. And about the morning affirmation also, as you told, if anything is to go into our subconscious mind, we have to tell it consciously, then only the subconscious mind will take it, right? That is really true. So next, let me talk about the second, that is eating right. So eating right. So we all think that eating right means eating at home.
Correct.
Let me ask you. Now from past 1.5 years, almost 1.5 years, we all are at home and we are eating from home, right? We are hardly having something from outside. But haven't we increased our weight?
Most of
you have increased weight. And mostly they say that in this COVID I have increased weight. Sitting at home. So sitting at home, but you are eating at home. Then how can you increase your weight? You are eating right? No, because the eating right means you are eating healthy food. It's not that you are making anything and eating. You have to eat right. Eat right means you are eating at home but eating a healthy food. And also, if we know about certain food that it is good. For example, people say that milk is good. And if milk is good and we keep on consuming only milk, is it going to help? Only milk, yes, milk is good in calcium, in protein, everything. It gives us all these nutrients, but we can't only drink milk. Same way, we can't eat all this one food and be healthy. We have to choose all the nutrition-rich food. So that is where the eating right comes into picture. One more important thing is eating on time. Eating on time, I don't mean by saying this that you have to eat on particular time, that 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. No, eating on time means on regular intervals. That means you should not be just eating your 3 meals and you're overloading yourself. So if in frequent intervals, if you eat, you will eat. And also that frequent interval food must be a healthy food.
Most of them have a skipping thing also.
Yeah.
Like sometimes they skip morning breakfast, sometimes you skip afternoon lunch and you eat at 4 o'clock or maybe in the night. So
that should not happen.
Lot of them eat in the late night also. I'm feeling hungry now, so what should be done? Exactly.
So my suggestion is that if you don't feel hungry also, so some of them tell that after morning breakfast I don't feel hungry, so I ate my lunch at 4 o'clock. If you don't feel hungry also, please have your lunch at your lunchtime. So lunchtime mostly it must be between 12 to 2. So have your make sure you're having all your meals. Don't skip any of your meals. So this is about the eating right.
Actually. Absolutely. So see, if you want to see that whether you're eating healthy or not, so you can check your grocery list. Go to whatever you're doing, live shopping, maybe Amazon, Big Basket or Flipkart, wherever you're buying from, just go and check it out. How many liters of oil you are buying, how many things junk foods are coming home, how many things are good vegetables are you buying it or not. So if you look at that list, actually you'll come to know that most of the people have that 60% of junk food and 40% of the healthy food. So that itself will give you the indication that your family is not healthy, it's not going in the right way.
Yes,
I'm not telling everybody.
We tell the clients also
not
that
everybody, but I'm telling about generally, right? So there are 40 to 50% of people do that mistake actually, because unknowingly they buy because they have brought it, they will eat it. So once you stop buying it,
exactly,
no
you
problem.
have to stop buying the unhealthy food.
Correct. So we need to reduce that basically, right? So the next comes from the T concept is again think right, eat right, and then act right. See, acting right is dependent on your eat right and think right actually, because we are not a human beings to react. We need to act, because if you keep on reacting, it's going to have problem actually. That is why when you say that nuclear reactors and things like that, you have this naming, because if you start reacting, it is actually having a negative impact on people, right? It's not a positive impact on people. So probably if you looked at me or maybe her maybe 10 years down the line before probably right. So we were reactors actually. So because our thinking was not right, our acting, the eating was not right, and the acting has taken a toll on that actually, right? So what we are saying here is about actors. If you think right in the morning and also eat right throughout the day, the action also becomes fabulous. So you take right actions. That has happened, such changes what happened in our life. So we started thinking right, so we started eating right. Automatically our actions also kept on changing. So we became more, emotionally, strong. So we became more physically strong and also mentally strong actually. So these three things came into picture, so we acted. So now we have time for everything. We make videos, we have a job, we have, we have a kid at home, we have to take care, we have to take care of his school things, everything is there. But within 24 hours, everything will go smoothly only because we are acting in the right way. And acting is taking care because we are eating right and we are thinking right? So the tea concept, because I know the tea concept, every morning when you get up, put this in your mind. I want go to follow this tea concept, TEA. Right? And
instead of drinking tea, put this
Yes.
tea in your mind.
Tea in your mind, everything will go well. Okay. So hope I think our videos are helping you. Probably if you have any feedback, put a comment below this, YouTube, and so that we can take those feedbacks and give you more information about health and wellness. So keep watching, keep sharing our videos to others so that we can help us, because we know that now the only reason we are doing all these videos is we know that we want to impact more and more lives, and I'm sure this video is going to impact somebody's lives today, right? So it definitely will happen. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We will see you again next
Thank
week
you.
with another
Bye-bye.
video.
See you.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.